My expectations was a leadership course. I thought, okay, they made us go at the top of a mountain, so there must be something about it. One of the things that I actually really found amazing was not just a leadership course, but more of a 360 degrees course. So it's very much a healthy mind in a healthy body. And taking into account all the challenges that a leader at a certain level in an organization can face, trying to create some kind of a environment for them to be able to thrive in, to get the energy from, and over a sustained amount of time. But there was so much more, and that I didn't expect, and in that sense my expectations were definitely overmet. And I have even changed the way I eat since that coaching. It was for me the beginning of a realization that what I need to work on is my impact on the others, putting the others in the middle point and thinking, or having a thinking process around them. What is the message I want to give? How is it going to land? Is that the effect I want to create? It's all about slowing down, about preparing better every time that I'm going to have an interaction with the team on one-to-one or one-to-many. I'm surrounded with absolute beauty, and I just think that it really cuts you from your day-to-day, from your habits, and just changing the setting like that just makes you much more open-minded and more receptive to all the learnings that you're going to get. It's worth investing the time. We are busy, of course, at those levels you're always busy, and the time to prepare and to take the time off in order to get there, it is a super return on investment. It's also nice to just share and feel, oh, I'm not alone, because it can get quite lonely at the top, and so sharing this experience with other people is very nice. There's a before and an after. It's those moments in life where you go through a self-realization because of the whole thing, the environment, the coaches. You're given the tools in order to make a step change. That's for me LAP and what it gave me.